things. I've set up shows perfectly and been able to run efficient auctions, and I've done where it's just random and pop up and I'm walking around and both are good in their own way, but the best shows are going to be where you treat it like a real auction. All the things are numbered, you know exactly what's happening, the timing. Those are going to be the most efficient auctions. I think both are great because I think people are excited to see the unboxing and maybe find some sort of treasure or get a good deal. It's like going to a yard sale where someone else is going through all this stuff for you. On the flip side, if they want to have a efficient, well-run show, then you'd want to take the good stuff, list it, pictures, and all that. So